In this lesson, we're going to be looking at Format Painter. There is a feature called Format Painter in Excel. Now, the Format Painter is a command that lets you copy formatting from one cell to another. This feature saves you a lot of time. So instead of repeating the same thing you did on column A in column B, you can simply use the Format Painter feature to simply copy the formatting in the first column down to the second column and many other columns. The Format Painter can be used on a single cell or multiple cell. To use this Format Painter feature, just click on the button. There's a button called Format Painter in the ribbon. Now, this button is found in the clipboard group of Excel. Let's take a look at that. So let's take a look at this example. Now we have this data here and we have this very column filled with some colors in each cell. So if, for example, you want to have this color in this cell, now instead of going around, clicking on it and looking for the color, now you want to have this exact color. So looking for the color, you might have to surf around each color to determine the exact color here. Now, this is where Format Painter comes in. You simply click on the cell you want to copy the formatting from. Click on Format Painter. This is the icon here, Format Painter. Just click on it and then go to the cell you want to paste the formatting on and simply click on it. Let's try this again. You click on the first cell you want to copy from, click on Format Painter. Now notice this sign, like a brush-like sign. When you hover it around, it keeps on going with you until you get to the place where you want to paste this formatting. Now just simply click on it, left click on it, and you have it. Now, this Format Painter, it also copies every formatting in the cell. So if we change this color here, let's change it to red. Now let's copy the formatting in this cell A7 and let's see if it's going to change the font color of this word here. Now click on it to copy. Now just left click. Now we can see that it changed the cell color and it also changed the font color from red to black. Try this again for the next example. Try to Format Painter and paste it and see if you will get the same color as this.